Hey, we're back at it again. Finally get a break. Got that shroud off right here, and I can't get my fan off right now. This is virtually impossible, so I'm going to take it off with the pump and be done with that. So the next step is get the alternator out of the way. Of course, I've already got the bolts undone. Disconnect the battery. Got a 10 millimeter here. These are 15. All these will be 15 right here. Be able to set this whole bracket over to the side with the power steering pump on it. And then we'll take this bracket off right here, the tensioner bracket. This is just an idler. That's all it is. And when it comes off, we'll be able to get to the rest of the pump bolts, the water pump bolts. Then, alright, I've already got these two hoses disconnected. Then the next thing is to get this air conditioning belt off. And you can see there's a tensioner right straight down there. Just pop that off. I'll probably have to get that bracket out of the way. I don't know right yet. We'll see. But we're so close now. And I really hadn't done anything since I pulled the shroud off, which was a week ago, because I've been waiting on that flex pipe. And supposedly it'll be here today. We will see. Alright, y'all, peace. I gotta crawl up under there and get a number off that when it's in there.